What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your 99 to 04 Mustang GT sound cammed for free.
Yeah, fuck the feelings, I ain't dealing with them. There's plenty motherfuckers in my party when the niggas missing. It's a party when I visit, ain't nothing different but the bitches. I ain't even tripping.
Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you drive a Mustang GT. Alright, now that that's over, we're just going to start the car and pop the hood. Now, as you can tell, this car does not sound cammed at all, but we're going to change that. Now, I personally prefer to do this with the car off, but all you're going to do is simply detach this vacuum hose from the throttle body. Now, once you have the hose off, you can just start your car back up and it will instantly sound cammed. Guys, it's really quick and easy, and I think it sounds amazing. But yeah, that's all I got for you today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.